Every PLDT customer knows the feeling. Your bill is due, and paying it means hopping to another app or site. Your internet is slow, and you don't know why or who to call. You file a repair, but you have no idea when it will be fixed. And to sort it all out, long hold times, jumping between apps, waiting on hold just to reach an agent. It's slow, frustrating, and way more effort than it should be. That's why you build Gab AI. PLDT is built-in AI assistant. It lives inside your PLDT account and it handles your billing, payment, connection problem, and repair in just a few seconds. No phone calls, no long queues, no app hopping, just us and Gab AI will take care of it. The moment you open Gab AI, it already recognizes your account. It instantly shows your current bill, your details, your due date, and your plan. No searching, no logging into other pages. Pay my bill. Now it here it where it really shine. Normally paying your bill means getting redirected to Pay Express, checkout page, and going through several steps just to complete one payment. With Gab AI, you can skip all of that, just tap pay my bill, and Gab AI will generate a QR code inside the chat. No detour, no detour to the Pay Express checkout at all. Scan with it with your e-wallet or banking app, and you're done in a second. You can check your payment status, just one click, voila, payment successful. And if you still prepare full Pay Express flow, the option is still right there, but the QR means paying faster and effortless. Uh, Need copy of your bill and records, just ask for payment history, or your ISO was straight to you, all without leaving the chat. Here's an option on how you can check your payment history and download the ISOA. You click download, and it will automatically create your ISOA or download your ISOA. You can also view it, just press or enter your account number, and you will able to view your ISOA. Next is to check your line connection. The internet is acting up. Tap check line connection, and Gab AI runs a live diagnostic on your line, your modem, and your network health. Right before your eyes, it tells you exactly what's wrong in your plain language. And there's a best part. If it detects a real problem, you don't have to call anyone. Gab AI gives you the option straight away in the same conversation to raise a ticket or schedule a technician visit immediately. The whole process from spotting the issue booking happens in one place. Eh, And once the repair is on the way, just track just tap track repair request to see the real-time status, no follow-up calls, no guessing. So to summarize, billing, instant QR payment, live connection check, ticket booking, and repair tracking all in a single chat. All you need in seconds. Ask Gab AI, your PLDT assistant, ready whenever you need it.